There are secrets that top affiliate marketers know that simply you don't know, and that's really what's preventing you from being successful online. Well, in this video, I'm going to reveal 5 of those secrets that you can start implementing today to help you become a more successful, a better affiliate marketer. I guarantee you that if you're not successful with affiliate marketing, you aren't doing at least 2 of these things. So watch the entire video to learn the secrets that the best top affiliate marketers know and the secrets that you don't know. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pocket. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so what we're going to do today is I'm going to reveal 6 reasons why you're probably not successful with affiliate marketing. If you've been doing affiliate marketing for a few months now and you're not seeing some sort of success, whether it's more leads, it's a few commissions here or there, or even more traffic, you're probably failing at least one of these. Let's go ahead and get right into it. The number one, and I think the biggest one, is that you're being too broad. Yes, you are creating content that is too general. Let's say, for example, you are in the weight loss. Weight loss is way too general. You should be creating content where you are talking to a very specific group of people. You want to create content where you're speaking to one person. For example, I was speaking to a student of mine and he wanted to create content in the fitness niche. And I said, that's too broad. There are millions of people, if not billions of people, that are interested in some aspect of fitness. You want to talk to your next door neighbor who is having an issue. He maybe wants to lose weight. And I said, hey, share a little bit about your story. Why do you want to get into fitness? He said, well, I lost 30 pounds in the last 4 months. And so I want to help other people do that too. I said, your niche, your person that you want to talk to, someone that was a little bit heavier, that is a little bit older, he was in his 50s, and he should be talking to other 50-year-old men that want to lose weight in a short amount of time. You can speak to the problems that they're having. You can understand and exercise their frustration, no pun intended, but you want to be speaking to one person. Even though I'm telling you to speak to one person, it still is literally millions of people that you're going to be connecting with. So stop being so broad. Don't feel like you need to be more general with your content. Be more niche down, especially in 2023. Number 2, and I think the biggest problem is you're trying to fake it until you make it. I see in here so many people that want to promote products and services simply because they have high commission payouts. Don't solely promote a product or service just based on the amount of money that you can make. Don't go out and tell people how to make money online if you've never made money online. There are literally millions of niches out there that you can get into, that you have experience with, that you have a deep understanding with, that people want to learn and want to know what you know. So don't feel like you've got to fake it till you make it. Also, it's slightly shady and unethical to fake it until you make it. For example, if you're telling people how to make money online and you've never made money online, that's a little bit unethical and something that I would stay away from, especially if lawyers and lawsuits, litigation get involved. That could become problematic. So instead of faking it until you make it, talking about how much money you're helping people make, find a niche, find a product, find a service that you have deep experience and knowledge with. Talk about the problems that are connected to that product or service, and you will naturally attract people. Now, once you start making money, then you should definitely track or document your journey of how much money you've made, because that's the right way to do things. So don't feel like you have to fake it until you make it. The other issue with faking until you make it is you start to sound like everyone else, and your customers and target audience, they actually can kind of see through that. So don't feel like you have to fake it until you make it. A lot of the successful affiliate marketers have actually paved their own way. They've gone completely opposite direction when everybody was trying to do the same thing. And I have faith that you can do that too. Number 3, your content is just not good. Now, if you're just getting started with content creation, it's not going to be good, and that's fine. But you have to be committed to improving your content over time so that you can attract a better, wider range of people. Now, creating better content doesn't necessarily mean spending money on a more expensive microphone or buying a more expensive camera. Creating better content simply means identifying your target audience's wants and needs and creating content to better connect with them. You could have $1 million studio, but if your content's bad, it's just going to be bad that looks really good. So what I recommend that you do in order to improve your content, stop spraying and praying and start figuring out the wants, needs, interests, desires, and motivations of your target audience. Once you identify that, you will be able to make much better content because you'll be able to speak directly to them. In fact, in one of my Facebook groups, my content is so good that I regularly have people tell me, it feels like you're talking to me. It feels like you're in my head. And when that's the case, that lets me know that I'm creating good content that is resonating with my target audience. So make better content and you'll have much better success. And the same thing goes with AI. Don't rely so much much on AI to be your content maker, your content creator. Make sure that you are still creating unique original content that has a human voice and a human element. Another huge one, this is probably the number one mistake most people are making, is they're simply just not doing email marketing. Email marketing is the open secret, it's the hidden success, it's whatever you want to call it, to being truly successful with affiliate marketing. It's email marketing. And email marketing really just consists of creating a landing page, giving away a lead magnet, and sending emails to your target audience, helping them solve problems, and then redirecting them to the products and services that you solve. The reason why email marketing is so powerful is that it takes between 5 and 12 touch points before a lead becomes a customer. And so basically what that means is a customer who starts off as a viewer of your content, they need to see you between 5 and 12 times. And if you're relying on the algorithm for that to happen, you are going to be sorely mistaken, because we know that algorithms change all the time, and we know that algorithms can be manipulated for both good and bad. So I sincerely hope that after this video, you start email marketing. Start email marketing by giving away something that your target audience would feel has value, and then send emails to follow up with your customer. One big mistake that a lot of people make when it comes to email marketing is they feel like they have to be an expert. They have to be a great copywriter. Send emails like you're sending them to your friends. Sometimes you're going to spell a word wrong. Sometimes it's not going to be grammatically perfect. I know that when I send my emails, a lot of times there's 1 or 2 sentences that don't have periods, and some of them are grammatically incorrect, but hey, I'm sending an email to my friend. Number 5, and this is a huge one, comparing yourself to others. I've created numerous videos talking about the right way to do a type of marketing and affiliate marketing. I always have 1 or 2 people comment, hey Austin, I'm creating videos just like this and it's not working for me. You don't know what that person has going on behind the scenes, so quite frankly, you don't know exactly what they're doing. But stop creating content just like everyone else, and stop comparing yourself to others. Run your own race, run your own journey, and you'll be much more successful. The people that stay in their lane, they run their own race, they follow their own journey, they have a higher chance of being successful because they're spending so much time worrying about their business and growing their business and staying out of someone else's business. So stop comparing yourself to others if you truly want to be successful online. And the 6th one, and I think this is huge, is personal branding. I say this all the time, and I'm sure you're probably tired of me saying that, but people want to buy from other people. I get asked all the time, can I do a faceless YouTube channel? Can I have AI do all the work? The answer is yes, you can do that. However, your success is going to be directly tied to how well someone else connects to AI. Do you really want to put your success, the money in your pocket, into somebody else's hands? Do you want to rely on AI software to make you money? People want to buy from other people. And I've mentioned this a few different times in the challenge. Major companies are successful because they have a face. Think about McDonald's back in the day. Who was the face of McDonald's? Ronald McDonald. You went to Ronald McDonald's Playhouse. You got to eat hamburgers from that creepy looking Ronald McDonald. Think about Apple. Who was the face of Apple? And when did Apple really start growing? They grew because of Steve Jobs. Think about a company like Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A may not have a person, but you can envision their smiling faces. If you truly want to grow your affiliate marketing business to the next level in 2023, start personal brand. Put your face on camera, regardless of what it looks like. There will be somebody out there that resonates with your face, with your eyes, with your facial features, and they will be more encouraged to buy from you because the trust factor goes up. Because they say, hey, this person who is just like me is talking about this thing, it must be a good thing. So once again, do you really want to put the amount of money that you can make in the hands of AI? For me, the answer is no. Either I'm going to be on camera or I'm going to hire somebody else to do it. So personal branding is going to be huge in 2023 and 2024 going forward. Now that you know the 6 reasons why affiliate marketers are not as successful as they'd like to be, watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.